going to try and get the prep work done for the head unit. Before getting out to the car. So minimize the amount of fiddling I have to do while I'm out there. Whoop, whoop. So what I've got is this little adapter kit that I used in my first 420 I got. Got my diagram for the back of the Axion. And I did order one of those ISO adapters, which would be kind of nice if they included it. Luckily, it did fit. I'll post a link to it. Oh, got the wrong one. Shoot. So this kit that I ordered came with a front and back adapter part. It was for something that isn't this. And at first I thought I was screwed because it didn't seem like it was going to fit. But actually, what it was these. A couple of these, I can't remember which ones at this point, were so tight that it didn't feel like it would go in. But what I ended up doing was just going through this. Not sure why it has this extra thing hanging here, but I just used it to go through each and every one of these, just pushing it all the way in, and a couple of them were extremely difficult to hit the first time, but after doing that I was able to go in and boom. Nice tight fit. The parts that I care about are here, and so we obviously need to get all of these power lines, trigger lines, whatever they are. So this is the Crutchfield instructions. 12-volt constant illumination. So I think what I'm going to do, put this thing together, this harness together, adapter harness together, and then afterwards remove all the extra wires, just take them completely out of this thing, which will probably result in me getting rid of something I needed. I don't know what I'm doing here. And having to go back and cursing a lot and editing it out. Let's see how these things work. I don't know which is the best things to use. I've got them. And I've got my tool for using them, so we'll see. So red to red. That part looks pretty straightforward. So now, bin these out of the way. I'm going to do a double check before I start removing those wires, those unnecessary wires. Now I got to do the speaker adapter. The one thing I do recall, that I do remember, is that you only get the left and right. You only use the left and right front. Everything lines up. Sweet. But I did discover while I was doing it that there was in fact a pink wire and a red wire. Pink wire being for telemute, which is not something I believe I would use, and the red wire being what I was looking for. So I had to redo that. No, it looks okay. Definitely think I'll examine something other than these connectors because they aren't awesome. This tool is a pain. But I think everything's right now that I figured out that one problem. So wire harness, fingers crossed, ready to go.